Hi guys. So today we're doing a breakdown of the Nikkei 225 index, the Japanese index. So yeah, let's get it. So currently, I actually have a sell position on it, but I think the sell is on a break temporarily. I see price came down to a moving average and responded. It reacted. There was actually a TP for me. I forgot to take it out. Okay. So let's start. So what's happening on a weekly time frame? Well, on an overall breakdown, market has been coming down. Market has been on a downtrend with lower highs, but right now there's a new lower high missing because market came down to create a lower low, lower low, high, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Now it's on the track to make a lower high before continuing to carry on being a downtrend. The price of chicken has gone up. There's a chicken disease outbreak in South Africa. So I figured it would have impacted Japanese stocks a bit. So let's see. So currently we're looking for right. Currently we're looking for the previous support level, which is around at the first break here. And between this price and that price, there's a wall. There's a little level that. Okay, there you go. Okay. All right. Okay, so we zoom in. And if we notice, the top level of this zone is actually touches the moving average. But now I see it came down, touched up there before already. But if it comes up there, odds are it might break through because it already used that price. If price comes up to here, price will be going up. The first stop should be here at this price here. Okay, there you go. At this price of 31314. That's where price should be turning. Because on a long term, price should touch all three moving averages before continuing up. So it's just a waiting game on the overall downtrend. But you can make money both ways by buying and selling, as long as you can see why you buying or why you selling. If we change to daytime frame, price is most probably going up to that blue moving average. It hasn't touched it in a while. It came down to the bottom average, moving average. It's about to cross through the middle moving average, the yellow one. And once that happens, there will be a break and a complete breakup. So now, this is every time you see moving averages, price tends to play between the two. I mean the three, because I got three here. So now price is probably coming back up here. Yeah. Okay. So that's what we. Okay, let me close. Close the buys. Ish. Okay, but that's fine. It's okay. Okay, now I know where we're buying up to. I wanted to know where. Okay, volume reached, full leverage utilized. Okay, so the current zone is here. Normally, if this pattern were to be going up and down, besides reacting from bouncing off at a moving average like here and there, if it just does that on its own, normally then you could regard that as a rally movement. But here, price is breaking out to create a new lower high, because it already created a new low because it's lower than this lower area here. Price is now a bit lower, so now it needs to create a lower high and then carry on going down to create a lower low. So we will jump on this trend because it has already started. Sometimes you just gotta go with the trend. Don't fight it, but just know why you're going with the trend. So this will go up to here. I just don't know how many days it will take, but yeah, we'll hold these positions and see how markets go after a couple of days. All right, thanks for watching. Bye. Bye, guys. All right, so it's the next day actually. So today's the 1st of November. I see that market carry on pushing up. This is the Japanese Nikkei, JPN225, and market has been pushing since we placed the trade yesterday, and it's almost at its turning point, but I think it's getting there. On a day time frame, I think price should continue going up. It's almost there. It's almost there in terms of coming to the zone here, which we calculated yesterday. But yeah, for now we just wait. In terms of positions, this is how many positions we opened up yesterday when we placed that buy, and this is how it currently looks like. So yeah, man, it's not that difficult to make, so you just gotta wait it out. But yeah, we're holding. We'll see market go chase a newer high, and then from there we shall see what happens from there. Can make a newer lower high, then create a lower low. So yeah, for now we're still riding the market up, and yeah, we're chilling. For now, I'll close my buy when it's around that 31988 and 31872 range. Once price hits somewhere in the middle there, that's when I'll probably cash out and wait to see signs of a possible reversal, and then we'll cash in. But yeah, alright, so let's see how the rest of the day goes. Shop. Alright. So I looked at this for a bit longer. I actually had to go look at the first video to see what my measurements were. There was a turning point at 31500. 31, because if we If we change the candlestick to let's see if we come to the weekly point. If you notice there in the top right corner there, there's a turning point there. Price actually got to the 31500 range. It's around 315,511. I think what I should do at this point is cash in what I can and prepare for a turn. 315. Okay, because price came up to I caught something, I see. Price came up to 316.80. That's 180 pips after the turning point. So suggested turning point. So I could say market has reached the run and it's turning. For now, what I am going to do actually is actually in 15 minutes, let's see what's happening. Moving averages suggest that there's been a break. Market is no longer going on an uptrend, it's looking like a downtrend. So on that note, what I will do is let go of but I thought I was gonna go to that moving average, eh? I'm in a bit of a situation, but the sell has been dominant. If we look overall, past couple of weeks on a weekly time frame, please ignore this. And that line, let's record the top of the top and watch it come down, and we will notice how there hasn't been a higher high since the beginning of this dip at the left corner up here. Price hasn't come back up there. If anything, it's just been chilling. And if we look at, sorry, let me just change this to the monthly because I can't do it on the phone for some reason. If we look at monthly time frame, we see it's been, here's even a hanging man candlestick. Yeah, this white one there, it's a hanging man candlestick, typical sign that the market will change direction and go the opposite way. The other thing I'm looking at is the tip of, the tip here. I'm noticing how price actually turned around there. So it got me thinking that I'm probably at the high for the buy. I'm not entirely sure because of the structure here. That's the other thing. I'm looking at how this low and that low are kind of in a similar range. There isn't a lower low compared to that other side. So we shall see. It's a bit tricky right now. Market is probably at the first resistance level. I do feel market could go up a bit, but it also could turn around because it's at a high that I see right now. Yeah, you know what, nah. If it carries on going up, we'll have a tight stop loss to catch it. But for now, I think what we can do is close all the buy positions. And then let's see how to capitalize. Oh, it's even below. Okay. So let's see. I'm waiting to enter. 0.01 for curiosity's sake, for those who want to know what's the minimum return on investment they can get. And we pump a couple of 5s for those who like full leverage trading. And then we see, okay, volume limit reached. Okay. So the stop loss would be above let's see, because it actually came almost to the moving average on H4. It was a little shy, and then I saw it turn around. I was like, maybe I need to look at markets again from a different perspective, because here here's a moving average. Price shot up, but has not crossed the moving average. So once I see that, I think that's my 10 moving average. The settings for this is 10. The middle one is 50. The furthest one away is 200 moving average. This one tells me what's happening now. And now I see that price shot up and it didn't go high enough, and it's starting to show signs of turning around a bit. Plus, it's the first day of the month, so price is probably going to go collect some orders and then shoot down at a later stage. There is a chance that I may have entered a little bit early because price hasn't necessarily touched really touched the lines. So I was gonna buy up until here, but for now, currently it seems as if price is on a downtrend. So I don't need to fight it. I must just capitalize from it. And we'll use this point. Wait, where's the stop loss? So the previous high point, which is above the previous candles where we turned, that can be your stop loss. Because now once price goes and makes a higher high, it's breaking structure. That's the high. It should carry on going down if it's turning down. If it's not turning down, it's going to go back up there. And if it goes back up there, it's busting out. That one's for sure. Price doesn't bounce twice usually back to back. It's either going to bounce at a level, at a zone, and then push for like a day, couple of hours, couple of weeks, and then comes back to that point. And then if that zone is still valid, price will bounce from that price again, but higher high or higher low. So right now I'm looking at the trend. What concerns me at the moment is here, the bottom here. Price came down to my 200 moving average and then shot up. The similar thing happened on gold, and gold carried on shooting up for long. So now I'm a bit not too sure, but I must give my analysis a chance to show me what's happening. And had market carried on being on top of the moving averages here, I would have said, okay, market is still going up, but it broke through here. There was a smaller candle, then huge sell candle. That was a breakout. So this push up is what some traders would call a rally base rally. So right now I'm catching the rally back up part, and hopefully all goes well. That's chilled. And for now we'll be chilling. Let me show you what I mean about on gold. Gold did a similar thing. I need to go see a doctor. Okay, if we look here, if we look at structure, price came down, got to the moving average, touched once, and shot up. Shot up real hard, broke through the other moving averages, came down. Okay, shot up, came back down to the moving averages for support, and then carried on going up and up and up. Only now, at the beginning of a new month, does price seem like it might be turning around. So we shall see how low this one goes. But for now, yeah, I'm gonna walk away from gold for a little bit. We shall see, because that structure right there, like that structure right here, there's a lot going on. I don't know if this is just consolidating before it comes back down or what, but there's a lot going on. There isn't a proper structure that I can see. So until I see something I can risk money on, I'll let it be. Where were we? We were at Japanese. Yes. Currently we are here. I see the structure, market coming down right below, right below the moving average, and then should carry on shooting down. That's what I'm hoping for. I'm hoping to catch it come down all the way down to this moving average range, if not that one, and then come down to that one. And yeah, for now, oh yeah, what's the date? Date is currently 10 November. Sorry, it's the 1st of November. It's at 10 o'clock South African time, GMT +2 time. Yeah, GMT +2, that's our Central African time. And yeah, let's give it a couple of hours, a couple of days. Let's see what happens. I'll smash them all up together. And yeah, if you have any questions, please leave a question in the comment section below. We will attend to it, and hopefully we can help each other out. And yeah, man. Okay, wait, if we look at, let me see, smaller time frame. So a smaller time frame, price might come up to, yeah, before carrying on going down, or it could just go down where it's at. And yeah, but the sell pressure is a bit strong because sell pressure is a bit strong currently. Okay, let's see, profit since today, profit today is 300. Last week, profit last week is 700, almost a mil. Wow. Okay, alright, that's what's up, and we'll keep pushing. Sorry for turning the screen. I can't look at profits like that while the screen is turned on the phone. But yeah, alright guys, thanks for tuning in. Let's see how this one goes.